Hi guys! Hello! We're going to
Gallagher Park.
Gallagher. Hi guys! We are now here at the Gallagher Park. Kaka-park lang namin. So basically, it's just like residential area. Tapos, merong park. So, let's go! So that's the park. There's a playground here. Tapos, if you walk by the street, yan. If you guys are planning to go sledding or tobogganing or anything outdoor during winter, make sure na you make yourself warm. Make sure na naka-proper attire ka kasi malamig talaga mga sis. So ako, I have with me my gloves, my toque. Ayo, oh.
Arang Montero.
Hi Nathan.
Hello, hello, hello.
Are you ready for some sledding?
Let's do this.
Yes.
Ana, ready
Hi,
ka na?
guys.
Ready ka na?
Oh my gosh. Nasaan yung gloves ko? Mamaya na ako mag-gloves kasi hindi ko napipindot yung phone. So, nasaan na sila?
Nandiyan na daw sila sa gilid.
At feeling ko, kailangan ko rin i-set up yung GoPro. Hawakan mo yung GoPro please. Guys, this is my first time sledding. So, Ready na ba kayong gumulang-gulang? Gulang-gulang? Hi guys!
Asan na
So,
sila?
lipat tayo sa GoPro.
Ayun ata si Don eh. Yung naka-orange na yun oh.
So, ito yung park. This is the park. You have to walk uphill and then go sliding pababa. Whew, my hands are freezing. Let's go! Guys, overlooking yung city. Ayan. We're walking uphill. Oh my God. Ang dami nang gumulong-gulong. So, good luck! Hi guys! Welcome to Mount Everest! Dito palang pagod na ako. Ayan, nasa taas na kami and look at that city view. Love it. Struggle din ha, paakyat. Ang dami na naming nakitang gumulong-gulong.
Nasaan si guys?
Hanapin natin. Nasa sila doon?
Hawakan mo.
Yan. So, hindi ko alam kung makakapag-vlog ako till the very end kasi yung iPhone pag too much na yung temperature na go up. But I have my GoPro, so let's go! Hi guys! Welcome to Mount Everest! Joke! Yes! Hello! This is the view uphill. So, mag-i-slide ka papunta sa baba. So, mukha lang siyang mababa sa camera, but it's not. So, good luck. Marami nang gumulong-gulong. So, let's see. Guys, super stunned ako ng view dito. Sobra. Ay, kahit ang lamig-lamig. So, ayan. Kala nyo, mababa lang to ha. Look at that. So, gulong pa more. Medyo madulas din paakyat, so you should wear proper shoes din. Hi guys!
Hi!
Hello! It's so cold. We are freezing. Look at that city view. Woo! Are you guys ready? I'm trying to take you guys with me. So, I installed my GoPro and my vest. So, sana maganda yung video makuha. Let's go! No, we can do it!
Come on guys, it's okay.
Pero have you tried this one?
Na-try ko na.
Okay. Ayun, it's okay. So mamaya yan naman itatry ko. Nathan, you can do it!
Ayok, ate, gusto mo rin ba?
Okay lang yan. Gusto ko to i-try. Guys, oh my god. Whew, that was, I can't explain it. Guys, I'm still alive. After that one run, we're going back uphill again. So, let's go! Tita, we didn't die! Woo! Oh my god! What a view! Huh? Okay, we all do it together.
Push!
Hold on to the sides.
Yes!
Oh, Nathan. Oh my gosh.
Let's go.
Woo! Go, Carlos!
Yeah!
Yay! Woo! Oh my gosh! Woo! Hi guys! So we're done.
Guys, you have to try this sometimes.
Hindi ko na kayo sinama kasi
Free chiropractor.
occupied ang aking dalawang kamay and buong body. Chiropractor is real. Just joke lang. It was fun. Guys, paano ba yan? Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Nag-enjoy ako kahit masakit ang katawan ko. Salamat. Thank you for watching, guys. I wish I can do more adventures videos like this. So, see you in our next one. Bye!